these points lie on the parabola, I can plug in both of these points here to find our a and k. Okay, so plugging in for our x and y, I get minus 8 is equal to a minus 5 plus 3 squared plus k. And plugging in this point, I get minus 20 is equal to a 1 plus 3 squared plus k. So these equations simplified become minus 8 is equal to, this is minus 2, square root of that, it becomes 4. Here this becomes 4, square root of that, this becomes 16. Okay, now we have a system of linear equations, and subtracting these two gets rid of the k values. Okay, so subtracting this, you end up with just 12 is equal to 4a minus 16a, so that's going to be minus 12a. So dividing both sides by 12, or minus 12, you get minus 1 for your a value. Okay, so let's plug this back into the first equation. Then you get minus 8 is equal to 4 minus 1 plus k. This is minus 4, so adding 4 to both sides, you get minus 4 is equal to k.